I was raised in the wreckage, born in the rain. Mama cried to an empty frame. Broken home, same blood, same chain. Guess some curses passed down the name. Cold nights on a park bench floor. People walk past like I ain't there no more. There they see a ghost, just trash in the street. But I still got a pulse, and it still beats. I've been drowning in the silence too long, but even lost souls remember their song. It can't rain all the time. Even the dark finds light to shine. I'm the proof you can rise from pain. Build a kingdom out of the rain. Found peace in a needle, bottle of flame. Anything to blur the shame. One hill, one high, one night at a time. Trading my soul for a nickel and a rhyme. Every friend turned ghost, every promise died. Every truth I spoke was a goddamn lie. But the mirror don't blink, it just stares me down. Said, boy, either fight or drown. If no one's coming, I'll save myself. Climbed out the hell I built for hell. It can't rain all the time. Even the dark finds light to shine. I'm the proof you can rise from pain. Build a kingdom out of the rain. Rock bottom became my foundation. Scars became my education. Pain taught me how to stand. Broke the cycle, became my own man. The world's still cold, but my blood runs hot. Ain't the same lost soul they thought I was. It can't rain all the time.